Yes, I'm Roman, and today I will tell you about 5 culture shocks that I experienced in the Netherlands. Let's go. Number 1, eating raw red herring with onions. This is one of the weirdest experiences I've ever had. Yes, I've eaten sushi before, but I think they do something to sushi so that it doesn't taste so raw. But that's for the red herring, it was super weird. First of all, there's a strategy in eating it. You have to hold it vertically and let it slide. That was so gross. But I suppose with the vinegar, onion, maybe salt, it's sort of prepared in a way that it's healthy to eat. However, it was so uncomfortable for me. It was so weird. Number 2, lunches are cold. This is super weird for me because coming from Jamaica, while you're at school, you're expected to have hot lunches. It's really something that we try to hammer into the heads of people that you must eat something hot for lunch, breakfast, etc. And even in France, when I go to the canteen, the students, they have hot lunches. So to go into the Netherlands and see that it is not the norm. In fact, they will have sandwiches because parents usually pack sandwiches for students.
And one of the weirdest types of sandwiches they have in the Netherlands is haggis leg. This is bread with sprinkles.
Nani? Number 3, they have a bicycle parking lot that is comparable to a car parking lot. Yes, I know that the Netherlands in general favors bicycles and I am no longer surprised by that. However, for the first time, I saw this huge place, this huge parking spot which I thought was for cars, vehicles, but no, it was actually for bicycles. And this again shows the importance that they put on bicycles on moving around eco-friendly. I definitely enjoyed this, like it was a good culture shock. Number 4, nigger zone. So this is called nigger kisses, and there are other names for it, of course. And there is a sort of debate in the Netherlands saying, oh, why should the name be like that? Some persons wanted to change, a company changed it, some persons didn't like the change. I just found it interesting. I tried it, it's really just chocolate and there's this white cream inside. Number 5 and last, English is compulsory. I've always wondered why is it that in the Netherlands they speak English so well, and I believe I found out why. So English is compulsory at all levels. It's a core subject, and even at the university, there are some subjects that are only taught in English or most of it is taught in English. And yeah, that's it. So English really plays an important role in the Dutch society, and I am simply baffled. Why did I say that? I'm baffled.
Give it up for the graduates of 2020 and 2021!
First and defining step that they take was the milestone that we celebrate today with you. Congratulations.
It's simply amazing because here in France, I believe for the most part, depending on the school, of course, English is taught from kindergarten straight up to even university. But the dominion that the Dutch have is far greater than that of the French. Anyways, so these are the culture shocks that I experienced in the Netherlands in my last visit. If you have any questions, if you'd like to say anything, if you've been to the Netherlands and you've experienced any other culture shocks, please let me know down in the comments. And as usual, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.